Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And we still have these little pedestrian streets. It's like a restaurant right here. So we're gonna walk through this and then go around, and then we're gonna continue down our street, and that'll kind of give you a context of where we are exactly. Usually if you see all these stickers, you know you got something kind of cool. So that emoji must be something kind of cool and interesting. Baby food, kids toys, nutrition, healthy drinks, and these stickers. So I think this street is called Rosary, Rosario, Rua do Rosario, and it's just this little alley right in here. We're gonna capture this space and just walk directly that way, and we're going to kind of give you a little context where we are as well. For one, we're close to Aguilla Street, so stay tuned for Rosario, I think that's Rosary. So we're gonna go down that street right now, so stay tuned for that. 2024, let's check out Macau. Come on. So Rosario, so what we're gonna do for this particular one is we're gonna go around this block, and then we're gonna come back in. Just so we can give you a little context of where we are exactly. So we're just kind of in these little pedestrian streets. No cars can come in here. Looks like motorbikes can. We're coming out to a restaurant right here. And we still have these little pedestrian streets. It's like a restaurant right here. So we're gonna walk through this and then go around, and then we're gonna continue down our street, and that'll kind of give you a context of where we are exactly. So stay tuned for that. So let's head on down. It looks like first off we got a restaurant here. They got lettuce, noodles. So we're gonna walk all the way down to the end here. So there's a little context to where we are. Camoish Park is directly down that way. So Camoish Park, there's also a bowling alley, a skating rink. And then down that way is Gyeongmu Hospital. That's the street that we were just on. So we're gonna go down this street towards Gyeongmu Hospital from Camoish Park. And then we're gonna kind of give you a little bit of context to our street, and then we're going to go back to our alley. It's kind of cool. So that's going to be a cool looking door. So let's go back up to Rosario. Chick chat. So we're back at Rosario, so that's where we started at. I'm gonna go down this way. I think the translation, I think that's Rosary. But somebody can correct me if I'm wrong. Of course. Otherwise I won't learn. This little place is called Emoji. Healthy drinks, nutrition. Huh. Got all these stickers in front of usually if you see all these stickers, you know you got something kind of cool. So that emoji must be something kind of cool and interesting. Baby food, kids toys, nutrition, healthy drinks, and these stickers. Kind of want to see what that is. If you want to see what it is, you can do the QR code. Just pause on that. Let me know what it is, put it in the comments. It'd be interesting for me to know what emoji is. Okay, so we're still on our target street right here. Rosario, it's called. So Rosario. And that goes, we're gonna keep on going down our target street. Ice salad. And this is kind of like context. So way up there you can see the cathedral, Monch Fortress. So it's way up the top. And Sao Paulo ruins is up in that direction as well. Looks like Rosario continues down. So we'll follow it down. It looks like it's going to come up to a dead end because I see a street sign that I'm looking at straight ahead. But we'll capture the entire street anyways. It's a beauty shop. And now you cannot go any further. Rosario. $20.24. Let's check out Macau. Come on.